Don't worry.
You're probably bored at home. Here's some things you can do during this quarantine. Take a hot bath. Studies show that taking a bath relieves stress, which many of us may be feeling at this time. Read a book, whether it's an audio or a hardcover. Many people say they don't like reading books, but they just haven't found the right one. Watch a news show. There are so many shows out there from so many different places. If you don't have any access to these places, you can always ask a friend. Spend time with family. No matter how bossy or annoying they are, they're all you've got. You can play a game of cards or watch some TV. Don't take them for granted. Clean and organize your room, your closet, your pantry, even your phone. Cleaning and organizing leaves you relaxed, and if you don't like doing those things, you can always just start by making your bed every morning. My personal favorite, laugh. Watch your favorite videos.
I love you. I'm up. I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do. Guys, I'm stuck. Dude, I don't know what to do. I'm scared. Oh no, frick.
Leave him right there. Just lay it down, it's not your fight. Don't worry, it'll be alright.
And most important, breathe.
Worry, he will make your heavy life. Don't worry at all, worry at all. This love is all.
We're gonna be okay.